Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to export your finished product. All right, so let's get started. What you should do first is watch it and make sure it's perfect. It's everything that you want. And then I would double check that there's nothing weird hanging off at the end that you don't want there. Then click somewhere in the timeline, and then I want you to go up to File, down to Export, which is right here. Then the arrow, you're going to go over here to Media, and a dialog box is going to pop open. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for format right here. Yours is probably not set to H264 right now. It's probably the first one, AVI. So pick H264. Then you're going to look for the blueprint right here. So it's output name. So you're naming it and you're telling it where to go when you're done exporting it. So you click on the blue writing that you see. And up here is the path where it's storing it. So it's going to be on my desktop in my folder that's named Mary Long. If this is in one of my production-based classes, you're probably going to store it inside of your TD drive, inside of your folder that has your name, and inside of the folder that is related to that project. But I'm going to just pick this one because I'm up in my other classroom making this video. So down here, you're going to name it. Name it your last name and whatever the basic gist of the project is. So I'm going to do long underscore promo video. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay, so now I'm looking for the export button, which is way at the bottom. Now, depending on what type of computer you're on and what type of computer screen, you might see this, and you can't actually see the export button. So some of you might need to shrink this box. And so you take your mouse up here and hover until the arrow does this. And then you can shrink it in size. It's not shrinking in size. And then you can raise it up and click export. So then you're going to click export. And depending on where you are in the school when you're exporting, it will go faster than other places. For example, if you're in the TV broadcast classroom, it will go very fast. If you're in the library, it will take significantly longer, so budget accordingly. And when it's done, it's going to be saved where I had told it to save, and it's going to look like a traffic cone. So that's it. I'm going to cancel.